How to add photos in different shape to Instagram story. First of all, head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Swipe right and head over to your story section. Tap on this icon at the bottom left corner. It will open up your gallery. First of all, select the background for your story. Let me select this picture. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top. Scroll down and click on this photo icon. Now select whichever picture that you want to add to your story. Let me click on this picture. Now in order to make this picture to different shape, what you want to do is just tap on the picture. Keep tapping until you get the right shape. So let's say this is the shape that you want. Now you can simply resize and place this picture anywhere on the screen. Let me add it right here. There you go. Now with this similar process you can add more picture. Let me add one more photo. Tap on the picture for different shape. Choose any of the shape from here that you prefer. And once you have selected, adjust the picture anywhere on the screen. There you go. Now you can tap on your story at the bottom. And the story will be uploaded successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial here on how to add photos in different shape in Instagram story. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.